Welcome to our store. We're here to make your shopping experience wonderful.
So if you want to own a faceless YouTube channel and you want to do something like this that I just did, please watch this video to the end. You will also see these are the things that I did with those apps that I'm going to show you in a few seconds if you stay till the end. Everywhere you turn to now, people are talking about YouTube automation. But do you really understand what it means? Let me break it down for you in simple and plain English. People are shouting, I make money without showing my face. That is what is trending. If you check here, you'll see. But many of us don't even understand the basic of what they are talking about. How are they having these views? What are they doing? Which app are they using? How are they going about it? We are curious. We are shocked. We are surprised. Like everywhere, faceless. I make this YouTube automation. What is it all about? I'll be explaining it in a few seconds. YouTube automation simply means creating a channel that runs without you showing your face or appearing on camera. You use AI tools or app to generate your script, your voice, and many others. So if you know that you are interested in faceless, you don't want to be showing your face like the way I'm showing mine, and you want to own a faceless channel, I'll be telling you those apps that you can use to generate that, and I'll be putting it here. Those videos that you are seeing are brought by this app that you can see. So I'll be telling you those apps so that it can help you. And one of it that is very important, you see this here, ChatGPT. ChatGPT works like magic. It's ChatGPT that you are going to use to generate your scripts that you will take to another app that will give you the image that you are looking for, or the voice you're looking for, or whatever you're looking for. But number one is this ChatGPT here. Number two is either you use Digin, this app here, or you use Grok, this app here. So you go to ChatGPT, like I said, you say whatever you want to say. Oh, I want a man that went to the market with his wife and his children. ChatGPT will give you a prompt. You cannot take it to Grok, or you take it to Meta AI, this one here again, and they will generate it for you. And when you have done that, if you want a voiceover, you can also use 11 labs here to generate it for you, or you take it to CapCut. CapCut has text and voice here also. So if you want me to do a detailed tutorial on these apps, like how you can use them, so you want me to show you how I do mine, I would want it on the comment so that I'll be able to know that people are interested in it. But it's not easy to do video. It's not easy to sit down and create videos, and when you see that people did not send you, you don't need to waste your time. But I just want it because it's everywhere. You see people are talking about it, and it's so easy if you know the apps. Some of them are ordering the apps, so that's why I'm telling you that these apps, if you have them, and number one of it is this ChatGPT, is the oga patapata of them all, because without ChatGPT you won't be able to get a well detailed prompt. And if you want me to tell you how you can ask questions, because it's give and take, garbage in, garbage out. So if you don't know the right thing to use or to say, you'll be stuck and you will not get those things that you are seeing, that you are admiring. So I'll be showing you here some of those videos that is gotten by these apps that I have done, and I'll also be showing you at the beginning also.
Because
so thank you for staying tuned. Up to now, you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share to more than 10 person. See you in my next video. Bye.